Hi, this is Dustin with Headset Advisor, and I'm going to tell you the one thing you must know before purchasing a wireless headset. When purchasing a wireless headset, most people look for so many different aspects about a headset. For example, how much wireless range does it have? Is the headset reliable? Is it compatible with my phone or computer? Is it comfortable? What kind of wearing style does it have? What are the connectivity options? And so on. Many different questions people have when looking at a wireless headset. And that makes a lot of sense. Those are very important characteristics of headsets when making your decision. But there is one overlooked aspect of wireless headsets that people only find out when it's too late. What is it? Does the headset have a replaceable battery? I know. Batteries, what are we talking about? Batteries. A lot of people don't even realize that a headset has a battery in it. But headsets do have lithium-ion batteries in them, and they last approximately 1 to 2 years. You can get more. Some of our customers have gotten 5+ years. That's if they use the headset a bit less. And some that are using their headsets 10, 12 hours a day on the phone all day long, maybe the battery only lasts about a year or so until they notice degradation in the headset. Now, some headsets have the ability for the battery to be replaced, and other ones do not. So if your headset does not have a replaceable battery option, then after a year or 2 or 3, you will need to throw the headset away and buy an entirely new one, which can be pretty costly. If your headset does have a replaceable battery, then you can swap out the battery when you start noticing diminished battery life and only spend $20 or $30, and then you can continue going with the headset. Now, a lot of headsets that are being used today do not have replaceable batteries. Now, is that because manufacturers are wanting people to purchase more headsets rather than just replacement batteries? I don't know. I couldn't tell you. Seems that way, but I have no idea. But nonetheless, that still leaves you with a problem. So when you're purchasing a wireless headset, first check, does it have a replaceable battery? If you like the headset and it does have a replaceable battery, go ahead, purchase the headset. You'll know that you're able to have an affordable maintenance cost over the lifetime ownership of that headset. If you see a headset that you really like and it doesn't have a replaceable battery, don't necessarily not purchase that headset. Go into it with your eyes open and decide for yourself if it's worth it replacing it every couple of years or so. But I also have another option for you. If that is just a little bit tough to stomach, a headset that you really like, but replacing it every year or 2, which can be hundreds of dollars, what you can do is take a look at our rental plan, month to month, no contract, very low cost. And this is hugely important for headsets that don't have a replaceable battery, because you can just rent the headset, and then once the battery starts getting a little bit diminished, just send it back into us. We'll send you a new one and you'll be up and going. You don't have to continuously replace the headset by purchasing it. Rather, you can rent it for that low monthly cost and get the headset fully covered. And that's going to cover anything like parts and pieces that you may need, any physical breaks to the product, which would not be covered under the purchase plan, and many other things. So this is going to give you great peace of mind and actually almost certainly save you money, especially if you're somebody that uses the phone a lot. So if that's something you're interested in, please check in the description below. We've got a rental link for you, or drop us a comment, go on our live chat, call, email, and we'd be glad to talk to you more about that rental plan. And also, if you found any value in this particular video, if you could do me a huge favor and hit that like button, we'd really appreciate it. Until next time.